Guys, to be honest, yesterday we booked some bicycle here and there, and this guy was the one who booked for me the bicycle. So tell my people,
Yeah.
where is the bicycle?
Due to transportation delays, we shall receive the bicycle tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
So be 100%.
Yeah, tomorrow
Tomorrow I want
morning.
to come here with my brother. So to be honest, guys, sorry for this. Me, I was coming from home with one option that I would find the bicycle here. Yesterday we didn't found, and then I divert that surprise to another surprise. So today maybe things take a U-turn.
Tomorrow we shall receive the bicycle. Sure, 100%. Yeah.
If maybe you start cornering,
No.
I'll look for the next deal and customers. I'm telling you.
Tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, the bicycle will be here.
Dora. Okay, guys, let's see by tomorrow morning, and I hope tomorrow is on Saturday. My brother will be around at home, so there in the morning I will be here. Alright, guys, things take a U-turn. How am I going to do? Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog at a very special. And guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos and on today's videos are very special. So I'm speechless. Today it's a surprise by itself. I was waiting for the long time, but actually today the surprise is here. Watch these videos till the end, and please guys, please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on today's vlog. But I hope wherever you are, guys, you're doing good. And it's quite early morning over here. Imagine, guys, I'm telling you, it's early morning over here, but it's totally hot because you are in summer season right now, and most of the farmer, they are being harvested, harvest some commodities from the farm here and there. And initially yesterday on my videos I went in Border Town, but our mission failed. So actually today I'm going to pick some surprise by itself, and actually it goes direct to my brother. So that being said, for me, I'm just playing my own role, supporting my family here and there. Nothing can do but supporting my family. That is simple as that. So I want to take you around as we explore my village. This is where I'm coming from. This is I'm calling home, and actually right now where I am, I'm at within home. Right there, that's my home. I hope you guys can see some house coming on this forest inside there. That's my home. Well, guys, I'm taking you around to see how my village looks like. At the same time, on today's videos, I'm waiting my brother, and I'm shooting this video on Friday. So tomorrow is on a weekend day. So I don't want to mention, but if you're watching these videos to the end, you be maybe get some inspired how 100% I support my family. Let's go. Let's go this way, guys. And today I will not taking you around to my neighbor who makes for me some bricks. These videos, it's a mixture of the video. We flood the vibe to the end. And thank you so much for my good fan who are outside there watching my video every day. May God bless you. By watching my videos, I'm trying to transform my family day by day. I see my African mom from the far end, so they will say hello. I'm telling you, most of the time I shoot these videos with my mom, with my brother and sister here and there, because for me right now I avoid maybe to engage in drama, you know, right, left, center. Maybe this is my mom right there. If you don't, if maybe you miss my video with my family, you will see me with David Jr. shooting videos together. Mom, how was everything? Natokea wapi?
Kwa kioski.
Kununua nini?
Chumvi.
No salt? Let me see. Indo chumvi.
Eh.
Okay. Meanwhile, after maybe I went to border town and buy for you a huge salt.
Oh.
Takuletea chumvi kubwa.
Oh.
Guys, look, my mama, she was hard working, fetching, looking for the firewood, and right now they want to cook something maybe for their kids to put something on table. Mama, did you have any clues? Leona. Today I'm going to surprise my brother. When he came from school, it's another surprise. Maybe you will see. I want to see both of your reaction between you and my brother. Because for me, Mama, I have nothing to do with money. So it's good to support my family. To cover the gap which my dad left, you know. Yeah, simple as that. That's how maybe, guys, I get the blessing day by day. And for me, guys, nothing I can do with money but transform my family day by day. Wow. Maybe if I get money, maybe later, after maybe finishing, maybe helping my family, I will invest maybe somewhere else. But right now, maybe I see the background where I came from. I'm trying like to renovate, doing this. Imagine you build a toilet. Right now, Mama, making for you some bricks of my neighbor down there. Maybe people think that maybe I'm doing like a clickbait. One day they will see maybe Hello Baby transporting some bricks from there, and that day will maybe approve it right. Imagine, Mama. I can't wait to see your dream house coming soon. Yeah, for me, Mama, I work so hard to make sure that maybe you have a small 3-bedroom house in this compound. And maybe later on, out maybe surrounded with a perimeter wall around, and then to make sure that that toilet will be inside or in the part of our compound inside. Yeah. Wow, guys, that's my African mom. If maybe in case you're new here and you don't know my mom, she's my mom. She's my biological mother, and that is it. She was one hard-working woman in this village. For me, 100%, I recognize my mom. Mama, maybe I'll come around. You go. That's my mom, guys. I'm telling you, this is the house which I'm going to demolish soon. It's because, guys, it's because of maybe of the now field. You can see right there where you see the fence. It's my neighbor's land. And here, this is my share of my dad, which going down. So, and on the other side, that's my uncle's where I put some material. So I'm trying maybe to fix this house here and there. And maybe if you could have maybe enough space, I could build my mama dream house right there. I left this house maybe I renovate. It looks like a bulletproof. It can serve maybe visitor here and there. And for example, if I have my friends visited me at my mom's home or at my dad's home, I could give him or her some free accommodation, you know. And it's because of space I'm trying to fix and in future, after maybe finishing my mom's building her dream house, I'll put here some perimeter wall for the security purposes. I'm telling you, free of charge. Well, that's my grandma home. For me, guys, to be showing you every day at home what I'm doing here and there, it's because maybe on my videos, like on my today's vlog, I'll have a new member on my YouTube channel, and they must know where I'm coming from, what I'm doing at home, you know, like it's my daily activity, you know. So like tomorrow, I think to make for my grandma some small shopping on tomorrow's videos. That's my aim, and I'll go in border town. Also on tomorrow's videos, I'll purchase my mama sardines, onion, and tomatoes in Tanzania, because most of the time we went in Tanzania. So that is the advantage to stay near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So these are the stones which I bought and actually right now we're remaining with 2 trips to close the chapter. So to build for my mom's dream house. At least when I'm saying, guys, oh, I'm going to build my mom's dream house, you have a clue what I'm talking about. So let me go and greet my grandma over there, and then I left the promise for her. Like, maybe I'll buy for her some sugar, bread and milk, and maybe tea leaf to make some maybe strong food to eat on the table, you know. So let me promise her. And guys, as long as for me as a Hello Baby official, when I promise maybe somebody else, I must take the promise serious. Initially my brother was making bricks here, but nowadays he went to school and maybe something left there. So guys, welcome to my grandma. She was living here, and this is the house. Cook. Ikiore. Ikiore. Kibono kugende. Amaguta gatar gutuna usini bya kuri gutunorage.
Wanu wiki mpeva chan takuini nyumba mwana atano.
Bikwabere onarako leo nakwa chimbira yanko tari kugora amaguta. Bikwabere onakwa chimbira yanko tagora amaguta.
Nirenga ngai.
Kwana nirenga kwa hata kama mia yanko tagora amaguta.
Ngora amaguta ntige bintu bienda. Ngena ngai.
Guys, I'm just over here and I met my grandma. So she was taking porridge, and tomorrow I'll make some small shopping for her, because sometime my mama give her the food, my grandma give her the food. So actually tomorrow maybe I will buy bread, sugar, maybe tea leaf, and maybe soap. So you see on that part of the videos I'll combine for my mom's, because I supposed to buy for my mama some sardines, and I'm so glad my grandma, she didn't take sardines. So I heard on the videos people say just make one day some small shopping for your grandma. I'm telling you, sometime my mama give her the food. So because you're watching my videos and I take your comments serious, tomorrow I'll do it. I will do it. Even me, I was having that plan. If I get money, I'll do it for her, some special surprise for her. We go to chona chenko ya tero mugate, sukari, mabere, sabuni. Tupohen. Na muguta gatara ugutun. So he told me he need kerosene. So tomorrow also I would buy for her kerosene, because most of the time when I came here, he asked for me, like he requested for me, buy for me kerosene. It's because, man, sometimes I didn't have money. When I have money, I do it. When I didn't have, I just like, I do it like in solo way. I see my African mom, maybe they went to cut the napier grass. Icho. Sawa? Yeah. And for those people who make some good comments, like make shopping for your grandma, I hope on tomorrow's videos you are ready. I hope so, guys. So make sure you leave a sweet comment there, you subscribe, and then watch the video till the end. Don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby official here. Imagine, guys, I'm just like go around supporting my family here and there, you know. So that's my grandma. Hi ukuya. Wanu nimbe sasa wangu toneni. Stai tachokeri. Eh, tawi woro ngani unisasi. That's my mama. Mama was promised my grandma, of which is your grandma. For me, it's she's my grandma. So by tomorrow, I buy for her like 2 packets of milk, bread, sugar, and he asked me kerosene. because she was staying maybe dark inside there. So tomorrow make for her some small shopping, because I had some fans who told me, okay, make one day shopping like you make for your mom. So I'm trying to make her. Sometimes you give her the food, but it's because of maybe for my audience. Let me do it. Maybe you'll see, guys. I'm not the guy who blagging things. To be honest, my mama, she's right here, and I promised my grandma. Icho, keep so kiddie. Hi, Tame. Hi. So you want to cut Napier grass? Rusiaga. You know, Napier Rusiaga is a vernacular language. It means Napier grass. I'm telling you.
Not a cat.
Never. My mama told me, like, be careful, don't fall inside there. Me, I will never fall, ma'am. Okay. That's what I pick as a lunch. I'm asking my mama, which time did you go to prepare lunch for our brother and sister? Because me, I'm just okay. So he said, less than 1 hour from now. Look, guys, look. I'm telling you, less than 2 years, 3 years coming. You will see this family is on the next level. Say hello. This is my grandma home. Imagine I was coming from my grandma home, my grandma home. I'm so blessed to have both of my grandma. Okay. Mama, me, I'm living right now home. Natoka nyumbani sasa hivi. I want to go around to see how the day will ended. Well, guys, hope so. My baby is here. He's waiting me to take me around. Look. Big shout out to Monkia23. Guys, if you're watching this video, go and left some comment at Monkia23. He done amazing work. He buy for me this bike, and I appreciate it. Although it's a second hand, but it's good to have my own bike, which can take me around the village rather than maybe hiring bike on today, on tomorrow, on previous, like that way. Wow. Oh, Mama Choni safe. Maybe tomorrow I'll make some cleanness on that toilet and bathroom. You know, so at least we make once, like twice per week, because it's tiles, like no painting, oh this and this, just there. That's in Chanakij. I have my birds here, which came and camp on these trees here. Every day I'm showing you, it's making for me some it's sing for me some melodious song here, like So mama, I see the cow is full. Why do you go and cut? There's no need to cut an Napier grass. Mama no cut anyas. Niguche. Tawa ni chinyigutu. Niguche manchi kichumbi. Imagine, guys, I'm telling my mama, the cow is already full. There's no need maybe to give them the Napier grass, because let me show you guys. The only work is to give them water, and the story ended. Look. Look, guys, the cow is full, man. You need maybe to give them water and you rotate, or you do your work. Hey, mama, you have a nice toilet from the far end, guys. Look at that view, man. It's because of you guys supporting me, watching my videos, motivating me, and I'm keep moving on. I'm flying like an aeroplane, like hey. I'm seeing the cow there. Oh. Me, I'm telling you guys, there's no need Mama to give the cow napier grass. Look, it's full. Look. Look, even another one, this one here. It's full, guys. And I'm so glad our cow are not aggressive. You can touch. Anyway, guys, from now I'm leaving home, and let me see how the day will go as I'm waiting my brother, guys. Look. So tomorrow I'll make some cleanness inside there. I told my mama, never stress yourself. Like, it's good, maybe we have everything is styling, so you clean, like you make some, you mop twice per week or once per week, because that is it. Wow. You have avocado here, and every house that you go, every home, you find avocado trees, and also the fruits. You have plenty of them here. Oh, guys, welcome home. But on today's videos, my introduction, it not starts at my home here. Wow, guys, this is what I'm calling home. And that's my house, that's my brother's house, that's my mom's house, which I'm going to transform it maybe soon. Bruno, you good? This is my puppy here, and it's growing so fast. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, it's early morning over here, and one of Machinga, or the hawkers, who are walking house to house selling things. So previous day they were being, I think today on Tuesday he was here, and then I promised him, you just came on to buy my sister some chats, like 1 to 100 or some ABCD. I will see which can choose the best. So let's go and see. I'm telling you guys, today I have no idea that he was coming, but because of the time here and there, my mama told me I've been calling with matching. Mama, say morning.
Morning.
Yes, that's my mom. Say morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm trying to make practice day by day. Guys, welcome outside. So I want to check him. That's my baby right there. So on these videos, it's combination videos. Hey, have the cock here. It's all morning. Let's go and see. You got. You have a cock, man. It's morning. So right now, let's see how things goes here. I supposed to take shower right now, or to bed right now, but because of time, you go up even. Gando nzuri.
Nzuri, nitaanzia hii. Yule msichana wako namchukulia ama?
Mtoto mdogo.
Okay, pia kuna hizi.
Poa sana.
Pia kuna hii ya hii buku.
Poa. Hii mramanyere sabu.
Acha na sabu.
Acha na sabu. Na hii.
Okay. Nipe hii.
Hii.
Yani
1 to 100.
1 to 100.
Aiko
Sio hii.
gani? So I'm trying to look some. Nipunguzie muziki kidogo. I'm trying to look something unique for my sister. Right here. The small chat. Numbers.
Hii ndio tunasema.
Gani?
Hata hii ya Kiswahili kuna pia nzuri.
Number iko.
Namba siko hapo nyuma.
Try to look for the. as he prospers to the next level, I'm trying to give them. I'm telling you, it's early morning. Yeah. So they need to count 1 to 100. And they know how 80s, 100. Hold it for me like this. These are counting 1 up to 100. And they know the spelling like 1 in symbol, 1 in letter, up to 100.
She should know how to write.
And how to write. Yes. Like when you give like 1 plus 2, they know how to write 3 in figure, in symbol. Okay, mama, take this. Keep it for your daughter. Ni shilingi ngapi?
Hapo.
Eh,
Hapo ni 180 tu.
haupunguzi?
Hata 170.
Aya, na kichujio?
Kichunge ni 30.
Aya, nipe refoti yangu. Ama chukua yote. Aya. Hi guys. Tutaende mkichungi.
Tungika ni.
Aya, asante.
Haya, nashukuru.
Aya.
Uniteni.
Yamkini uyu muvekere. So mama, you can fresh. So you can hang on the wall. Your daughter can know how to count from 1 to 100. Like number 13, number 1, number 2. You know. Yeah, I need my sister to get better knowledge. Why not, guys? So I'm going to my normal work. I was washing some clothes there. At the same time, I want to shower myself and heading outside. But on today's video, guys, don't miss. This is a continuation of the videos. It's the part of the videos. You will see them later. When my sister came from school, they will find the chat. Come on. Right. I'm telling you guys, it's 1 up to 100. You see right here, 100 in number, in letters, in symbols, whichever the case. Right, you take it inside. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But for me, I have a special. Drone are making noise right there. So I was washing some clothes here and there. Actually, guys, stay tuned. You will meet the full length of the videos. Maybe the introduction will start and then I'll continue joining these videos. Yeah, it's a mixture of videos. And yeah. Alright, guys, I want to wash my hands here and eat something there, and then I'll take you outside. Let's see. Wow. Right here. The hand wash shop. Soap. That's how our day goes. Wow, guys, let's see what I here. Yeah, we have chapati. I'm telling you guys. Big shout out to who? David Jr. I normally use this cup. I'm telling you guys. There's a milk tea here. Enough for me. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. Before I take you outside, let me know. I'm looking for the plates. Guys, this chapati, this milk tea, and let me pray for my food. Thank you, Father. Pray my food that are in front of my table. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Oh, guys, let me enjoy the food. Nowadays, I normally take one chapati. And that's how our day ended. Oh, guys, more delicious. I'm telling you. Maybe one day when I came to your country, guys, this is my delicious meal. I'm telling you. Guys, to be honest, on today's videos, it's a surprise by itself, so I can't wait, guys, to see my brother's reaction. Oh, guys, I finished taking my breakfast right there, so let me take you outside. As we go. Wow, today it's supposed to rain. Hello. You good? Wow. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And today I want to make another transformation. What's up? It's a sign of welcoming me home. Anyway, guys, on today's videos are very special, and I was taking my maybe breakfast or lunch, so it depends the time where I am. Like I am right now. Actually, right now I think it's around 1:47 p.m. That's my local time, you know, because of time here and there. So actually, I'm supposed to go down and then to check the land, how maybe everything is, and then on my yesterday videos, it's a continuation videos. I'm supposed to surprise my brother with some special gift, but I didn't find that stuff, so I make some order direct from Nairobi, and then I'm going to check that surprise whether have been arrived in Border Town. So anyway, guys, let's go. We have plenty of firewood right here. Imagine, this is a source of like a source of renewable direct firewood. You cook ugari, imagine, have plenty of them. Wow, these are indigenous trees. It's great, nice shade here. You can see, and it's cold when you sit down. For me, let me take you around, guys. Even at home, we have avocado trees. At Congrat Mom also have avocados. Just over here, that's the fruits that I'm showing you guys. And the compound, it's well clean, green of nature, as you can see. We have cow here. I think they are taking water. You good? They are drinking water here on this small bucket here. That's water. And that's how we feed cow here and there. So guys, I'm taking you long up to the shamba. Shamba is a Swahili word, means land. That way, you just wait, guys. So I want to get out of this compound, going around, up to down. I have the cow here, but this one don't joke around. It's an aggressive one. You see how it's coming to me. Don't joke that cow. Wow. So let's go. Make sure guys, you left your subscription button there. Like, comment, and also share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I left this place, so I'm going to check the land. Oh, even this is my jacket because I was riding. Right now I'm not riding, I'm going down to check the land. Then I'll come to pick it here. Wow. I'm heading this way. There's a special gate over here. Have the small entrance here. That's my baby right here. There's some visitors. Anyway guys, thank you so much. As you can see, the video are being developed. Look, this is my aunt's home. So I'm going down this way. Full of joy. What a good day, guys. Let's go. For me, I feel so good, guys, when I transform my family day by day, and which is a good thing. It keeps pushing me doing this for my family. I'm telling you guys. And for me, guys, don't mind, that's my hairstyle, but I'm trying to look another style. That's my hair, and it's growing so big so fast. You know, it's my natural hair, guys, I'm telling you. So the reason why I keep maybe transforming my family, like if we have some youths outside there, like Hello Baby Official, please my good brother and sister, just support your family or your mother or your parent as you can. You know, like for me here, all my videos is to surprise my family, transformation here and there. I'm telling you, man. And even on today's videos, I just do it. You wait. Even my brother, he doesn't have any clue what's going on. Oh, right here, this tobacco. I'm telling you, this tobacco, which is harmful in the human body. When you smoke this tobacco, maybe it causes lung cancer. But nowadays, most of the farmer, maybe nowadays they plant maize, Irish potatoes, banana, things like that, and sugarcane within our village here. So that being said, farming is our backbone. You know, we depend on farming. Wow. So taking you on our topic, direct to the youth, like Hello Baby Official here. All the video that you see is about transformation here and there, and I change my family every day. For me, when I get money, is to support my family day by day, to improve my family. Why not? Wow. So today I'm going straight. Last time I was going that way, and I met one of my upcoming YouTuber. I say hello, and then on SDA Church right there, big shout out for those people who keep supporting the church, which is a good thing. This is how we friends. in the local way. I'm telling you. Even the land where I'm heading to, it's fenced by using this outer core for the timber. This one here, in Swahili known as mabanzi, right there. Let's go. From now, guys, maybe 20% it's gonna rain, but not too much. You can see the cloud. Somehow it's black, numerous cloud. You can see. You keep rolling this camera till the end, and make sure, guys, you leave your sweet comment there, as your son, hello baby, to see your sweet comment. And also, brother and my sisters, just leave your sweet comment down there. This is how we fence the fence, fencing our land. Maybe if you both have your land, you fence like this way, with metallic gate. Look. But it's part of my neighbor. They are part of my neighbor. Imagine. Tukutana hivi kwa kona huko. So every day I meet that guy. His name, he was going by the name Musabi John on YouTube channel. Subscribe to him, guys. He was upcoming YouTuber. So today I'm not going down and go that way. So today I'm passing on my own entrance here. Wow. Boom. Actually, guys, this land is from my friend. And wow, don't mind, guys, about the noise for that gate. So these stones, we didn't negotiate with this one, but the owner insists like, oh, I left for you stones, and then maybe to give their money. But it's later, guys. But sorry for saying this. Maybe if the owner, he or she watching this video, sorry for that. But the land is right now, it's okay. So the reason why I came to check this land every day, sometime maybe you might get some destruction of the property, and I'm not here. You know, I must be here every day, every day. Like if you remember the story of David Junior's sites, there were being there's some, this crazy boy, they came and cut off the steel bar and sell it. At the end of the day, they meet him and then they solve the issues in police case. So right now that's the reason why I came to check every day, because our land is not maybe like secure in terms of fence and all stuff. Just like open the way it is. Oh, this is how we plant kales. Say hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Me, I am good. Is a Musabi John.
These are the symbol of USA flag.
Not resemble. It is a USA flag.
Yes, you resemble USA flag.
Yes. I'm from US, but from Kenya, Nyabohanse. Okay. Hello. He is Musabi John. Go there, subscribe to her baby. Road him to how many subscribers right now you have?
I'm climbing the ladder so. Right now I'm 6K subscriber. Maybe the end of
7K.
Yes, the end of maybe January, yes. I'll be maybe 7K. Did you make your phone?
You told me.
I told you
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Just look for me.
Yes.
So right from now we're running around maybe on weekend.
On weekend.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 days. Only 4 days to go.
I'm here. I'm on routine how everything is yours. And I say thank you.
Yes.
For your channel.
Yes, I want to support you to make your phone to continue making videos every day.
Yes.
You know your channel will be dormant and then people will forget you.
Yes, that is okay. I will do it.
Okay.
Yes.
So that being said, on Wednesday next week, just look for me. Make a call.
Yes.
If it's not advisable, just look for me random. Yes. You know my home, you know my place.
I know your home, I know where you come from.
Okay, Jumatano ngoteviri. Yo najua ni shida ni Mount Peace. Okay. Na kino nkibari kutunakorana. Hey. Jonas, you got many hand. Guys, I came here and I found something new, and I want to ask who made this stuff here. I want to know this one, this post here. Last time when I was being here, this post was not being here. Like it's 4 of them, and I want to know maybe who made this stuff here. Wow, let's see. Oh boy, tamuturam. Jonas. Look how people have been built, guys. I'm telling you. Tamuturam. I was calling that guy. He was sleeping there, and he was the one who made this stuff. So I want to ask him, what's the purpose of making this stuff? Who give you a reason? I want to know. You know, I want to know, guys. Maybe if he passed through, maybe congrats dad, I will know. If he decides himself to have priority to make that stuff, I want to know. So that's the reason why I've been calling him. And from now, guys, I'm heading to Border Town. I want to check that stuff. I can't mention right now here. I will mention if we have my brother together. So he will go and choose the car what he wants. But I make some bookment and nice stuff. I don't want maybe to book maybe cheaper stuff, but I know maybe I bought for him some special stuff which can last for the long time. Right. But Musabi. So them. Guys, imagine on that small trees that you see. Even I hope you can see right there where I'm pointing. There's some young man sleeping there. You see right there? John. Oh. Sawa. Hi. Okay. I get some information that like you want to make some small stuff here. Yeah. So it's good maybe when I'm not around here I came to check, but I know it's Congrats dad who have some authority. He tried to build this stuff here. Yeah, it's good to ask. It's good to ask. Yep. Let's go, guys. I'm taking you up to Border Town. We have the borehole here. And yeah, which is cemented. Wow. And there is water, guys. Like, not too much. I hope you can see water right there. Whoa. Let's go outside. That's how I normally do things here and there. Right, left, center. To make sure that this place is secure enough. No trespassing here, guys. If I found anybody trespassing here, it's another case. Boom. If you do some trespassing, it's a police case. Oh, guys, this is a blackjack. Anyway, I'm going to see. Right now, I'm going to Border Town. From now, let's go. Kemne, I village driver. With the wheelbarrow. Anyway, guys, let's go. Let's go. For my premiere again, you will get these videos at exactly my time. And you know, guys, maybe when I'm uploading my video here, it's late time, around 11:55 p.m. my local time. and maybe the place, it depends the place where you are. Maybe it's morning, it's evening time, it's noon time, it depends. So at our exact, guys, I'm just grinding hard to make sure that the end of this month I can do at least something unique. So I'm new in terms of building and construction. So that being said, every day I supposed to buy some blocks, like 1,400 blocks, which can take the shape of my mama outside. And inside, maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? What about your bricks? So the bricks I will use for the partition. Imagine, guys, if, for example, like if this could be man, like this trees could be man, these leaves, I could peel it faster, doing things crazy. But if you want to build something unique, something special, you need to go hard on it and get something small. You try to keep pushing. Like for me, I'm pushing slowly, step by step. You know, maybe one day I could found my mama dream house, goes high up to rental, roofing and everything. But guys, I hope you've been there watching my videos and advising me on the comment section accordingly, guys. And for me, I'm so grateful. Right now, I thank God my voice will be back right now. So I'm keep going this way. Actually, as I move from Congrats mom's place, I left my jacket. So I'm going to take my jacket and then I drive to Border Town, direct up to Border Town. These videos are very special, guys. Please don't miss. If you miss, rewind it and you watch it again. You want, maybe you may be able to know what I'm going to do for my brother right now. Yesterday I supposed to do something special to him, but I divert. I do something unique. Maybe for me, I value in education. So education come first and then the rest of stuff come later. So right now I'm going to take my jacket. So right now, guys, you see me with this nice shirt here, but some few minutes you'll see me on a green jacket. Alright guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Maybe you'll meet me going to Border Town or not yet, so it depends, but 100% you'll meet me, guys. Wow. Oh guys, so right now I'm heading to Border Town right now. It's totally hot here. That's the reason why I opened my jacket and I'm going at my own pace. Wow. This is how my beauty of my village looks like. Right now we are in summer season. But 2 weeks ahead we are turning to winter season because most of the people are going to plant some maize. Imagine, guys, imagine that cloud. It looks like the map of Asia right there. Let me show you guys that one, the small one there. But anyway, guys, I want to, when I hit in Nyabohansi market, actually on the tarmac, I want to enjoy the fruits as we go, because I realize some fruits are very nutrition in human body. Wow, this police post here, we have some dogs making friends here. Hey, hello. I don't want to film the kids. Wow. So from now, guys, I want to eat fruits as we go, because it's hot here. Koroboga. Because it's hot here. A day like this, I'm outside chasing my dream here and there with my baby. Wait. Naingia hapa. Wow guys. So let me park my bike here and eat the fruit. Oh guys, this is Nyabohansi for you. And I'm gonna park here. I want to end on this small business here and eating some fruits. Odi, one or I queen. That's what I'm going to Oh guys, we have watermelon, banana, mango, cucumber. Kuna nanasi. Okay, cut for me. It's summer season. We need to eat fruit. Let me show you guys. Less than $1, you have something to eat. Maybe I will pull down my jacket because eating time. Let me put here my jacket. No problem. No one will take. Eh? You know my food. Can we stay here away? What's again? Lakini ona zile nyekundu. Zile zimeiva huko. It's better you put more. Hiyo tasio steak.
Simu kama steak yako.
Oh. Imagine guys, less than $1 you eat fruits here in our village. What a good day. And it's good, in good way to promote maybe some business here. Tamamanga naga yunyo.
Nyeke mbili.
Weka mbili. Ilitobu kabisa?
Yes, ni wewe.
One goes to 10 bob, like 0.001 cent USD. You'll be serious. Maembe. Toroka siri embere. Don't kenyera kai. Ano ebitoke baby no. Ay. Oops, sorry. It's two banana. Imagine guys, I'm telling you, I'm supposed to take fruit. It's long time. And I realize when you take more fruits, it's very nutritious to human body. Hey. Right guys, I'll show you more. I don't want to film too much on this place. We have banana, we have watermelon. Oh, there's a truck. I don't want maybe to interfere with my bike. Good service here at this small business. I want to add cucumber. So you know cucumber treats some, I think, kidney, to wash kidney. Kana go konso ko kenga no go bugadi. And today we hide. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna get hungry. This cucumber, guys. I'm telling you. God bless my food before I take it. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Guys, I'm praying for my food as we enjoy. This live.
Mulu temu ko anak kasi haru ganda kurang. Mera huni ku biasa ra kundi baca ni biasa. Muka. Temu ko ganda kurang mora. Guru.
This is cucumber. Oh guys, so right now I enjoy the fruits, so it's time to go Border Town. I want to check that stuff that I booked yesterday. Let's go. Hey guys, at time I'm shocked when I found people passing with the big machine. I said, hello baby, one day could maybe spin the big machine, but let me invest first, building my mama dream house, and that's keep pushing me day by day, guys. You see that investment right there? Very amazing. Hey, hey, hey. Anyway, guys, let's go. We go with our own pace up to Border Town. It's located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Let's go, let's do this. Have some kids coming from school. Probably it's a good thing. I'm on this tarmac road which connects the border of Kenya and Tanzania, and it connects East Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya. This one that you see here, it was being constructed by the colonial British colony. Wow, amazing one. I see the bike from back. Wow, Dad, let's go. That's a gas. That's a gas and the ice cooker. It's on. They're selling on credit. You buy and then you use some units. The more you pay money, the more you use it. Wow, that's school bus right there, Momokoro. School bus. It's located near the border of I think near of border there, not the border of Kenya and Tanzania. I'm telling you, fresh. So let's go, guys. At the far end, if you see the signboard there, they cut tax. I'm telling you, they cut tax. If you're coming from Tanzania, you must cut tax. Let me see. They cut tax here. Oh guys, I'm going at my own pace up to Border Town. But guys, sorry for the windy. We have too much of the wind here and there. I must go slowly because you have some students crossing there. I see the dunk right there. That's my Roma Catholic Church over there. Guys, slow but sure. I'm telling you. Oh, they're making noise there. Another one there. Wow. And guys, I think I have already shown you the bricks which I want. I've already shown you. No more height. Why not? So up to Border Town. Amazing view. You can tell from the far end. That's Africa for you. That's a bus, a van. Right. Hey, 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 hey. Dogo, angalia barabara vizuri uvuki. The bicycle brings problem there. There's a shell here. It's a new Shell. It's a new Shell petrol right there. It's amazing thing, guys. When I reach height, from the far end, guys, I see some blocks. I'm telling you. I think maybe you can see that blocks right there. Blocks right there. Let's go. This is border town for you. It's a business town. Simply because it's located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So it must be a business town. Right here. We go at our own pace. No pressure. No nothing. Look at this. I'm telling you. Police post there. They sold cabbage. You see there? Men at work. Look, man, I'm telling you, look. I see the big tractor, and it's a Scania taking a U-turn. You have Cooperative Bank and the Equity. These are Scania here. And I'm telling you guys, both bank at a different name, like Cooperative Bank and Equity, they share their name. Like, they are doing business at the same time. Let's go and see my bicycle. No, my stuff. That's a pig. Right there, it's walking. We have a tank right there. Making there. At the same time welding. Let's do this. Wait, kata kona vizuri. Amen. I'm heading this way. Oh. I'm telling you here. Let me park my bike here. Oh. Right here. That's how I park my bike. Let me see on this shop here. Wewe iko wapi? Pigia mseti.
Si mseti. Yaani wewe ni special customer unatumia nani baiskeli.
Itafika saa ngapi?
Hii ndio muda. Ngoja ni Instagram.
Kwa sababu nataka yule dogo atoke shule na ichukue.
Hizo zote sasa wameweka hapo chini. Sasa application zote unazipata ziko chini.
Mama ile hapo iko sawa.
Walitoa. Sasa hizo zote.
Ile mezi shaenda.
Na ni Mayugo alikuwa anaitaka pia.
Sasa simtapiga order.
Hao yetu kufanyia baiskeli. Nafurahi. Nduaga.
So sasa ni saa ngapi?
Sasa hii mapema.
Saa 9. So guys, I'm on this shop.
Hapa. Subiri kwanza.
Tulia bro, hadi hapo baiskeli zinakuja. Tena mambo ya kusungushana.
Ameniambia acha nitumie namba ya dereva muuliza kwa.
So I need my stuff, bro. Because today is today. Mseti. Wewe tu unasudi ongea hapa. I need my stuff. Okay. Guys, to be honest, yesterday we booked some bicycle here and there, and this guy was the one who booked for me the bicycle. So tell my people,
Yeah.
where's the bicycle?
Due to transportation delays, we shall receive the bicycle tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
So be 100%.
Yeah, tomorrow
Tomorrow I want to
morning.
come here with my brother. So to be honest, guys, sorry for this. Me, I was coming from home with one option that I would find the bicycle here. Yesterday we didn't found, and then I divert that surprise to another surprise. So today, maybe things take a U-turn.
Tomorrow we shall receive the bicycle.
Sure.
Sure, 100%. Yeah.
If maybe you start cornering,
No.
I'll look for the next deal and customers. I'm telling you.
Tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, the bicycle will be here.
Dora. Okay, guys, let's see by tomorrow morning, and I hope tomorrow is on Saturday. My brother will be around at home, so very in the morning I will be here. Alright, guys, things take a U-turn. How am I going to do? So, guys, I'm heading home. After from Border Town, things take a U-turn. So, guys, maybe the person who working on that shop told me this the stuff will be delivered by tomorrow, very early in the morning. So I'm sad, guys, to be honest, because I'm supposed to give to my brother, but things take a U-turn. So maybe most of the people ask me, baby, what's up? I'm telling you, it's so sad. So for me, I came from home with one intention, that I get that stuff. Yesterday, we tried to make a video. I'm going there. I missed it, and then I make some like book something from Nairobi. So it's because of delaying on the road, so it will be here at night time. So I'm supposed to take it tomorrow morning, guys. I hope you're ready for this. Let me know in the comment section. For me, I'm so grateful right now. I'm heading home, and I want to consult my brother what is going on, what's up, what's everything. But probably by tomorrow, and I think maybe by tomorrow is a good time, because tomorrow is on weekend time, so my brother will be here. Actually, I'll feel so happy, because guys, I want to give him right now. It's a special gift, so I don't want to rush on it, you know, slowly by slowly, guys. Let's go home. Village road. This is a village road here. Not what we expected over here. Guys, I'm back home after from Border Town. Actually, that being said, things went wrong. So the stuff which we booked yesterday, it's supposed to reach right now on today, but because of delay, because of time, maybe we have jam on the road and poor roads, so it will reach here at night today. But I'm supposed to pick that stuff very in the morning by tomorrow, of which is a good thing. So we tomorrow is on Saturday, and we have my brother here. So guys, maybe most of the people ask me, hello baby, what's up? So anyway, this is where I'm calling home. So even me, guys, I was waiting for the long time, and I need to understand the situation about of maybe to deliver something from one place to another. and it's a long distance. Probably even right now my brother, he didn't come from school, but even I don't want to tell him what is going on, because the moment I told him I'm in trouble, so I will do it tomorrow morning. And for me, I'll shoot the video randomly. I tell my brother, okay, let's have a nature walk to Border Town. So I don't want to tell my brother right now what's going on, because the moment I tell him when he came from school, I'm trying like to pressure him. So it's good to wait up tomorrow to pick that stuff in good way, and you will see the reaction from my brother. And for those person who made it possible, may God bless you abundant. Thank you so much been supporting me. And for me, no more hide, mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. May God bless you. And wherever you give that, you take that something, may God add you double price or double times. I mean, in other way, guys, sorry. Sometimes my tongue make a mistake. All right. So this I'm calling home every day. I'm showing you, and I'm lucky enough, guys. We have some trees here. So in terms of timber, I'll split this one and then I will use it. In terms of maybe timber for the roofing, maybe when I'm lucky, it's a little bit. So far so good. We have timber, no pressure on that. Let's see. I'm trying to share with you this story, and I'm keep pushing myself as I can, you know. Like I buy some stones, it stay there like 1 month, I think, or 2 months. It's slowly by slowly. When I purchase stones, I put on other side. It can stay there 2 years, 3 years, until when you build up. So let me go inside and check what my mama maybe doing inside, you know. Wow. Let me see my mom. Look, the beautiful scenery. Hey, I can't wait to share with you this story by itself. Yeah, I see the smoke. What's going on inside here? This is how our gate looks like. Don't be shocked, guys. This is the life in our village here. My sister with Baruni. On today, leo nimekununulia chat. Uliona? Come here. Joe. Guys, to be honest, today there is a machinga who I promised. There is a time I promised him, and he brought that chat. Uliona? Say hello.
Hello.
So I bought you in the morning some chat. You could able to read from number 1 up to 100. You know the figures. You know how to write number 1 in symbol or in letter and symbol. All right. I need to get a good knowledge. So she was playing with this balloon here. Wow. Mama. Asubuhi tulikuwa na wewe. Nikakwambia naenda boda. So nimeenda, our deal fail. Deal limefeli mpaka kesho. Right? Up to tomorrow. So even usijuambie ndugu yangu nini kinaendelea. Umesikia? So guys, I'm telling my brother, I'm telling my mom, don't tell my brother what's going on, because these are random surprise. Yesterday I booked. Today, because of delay and because of everything, you get that stuff tomorrow morning. Don't tell my brother what is going on, because in the morning I tell you where I'm heading to and maybe to receive some gift, but because of time here and there, and you understand, you have maybe some places you have maybe jam, you have poor road, you know. Kuna msongamano wa magari, like mlolongo wa magari. Mlolongo is a Swahili word, means jam of the vehicle. So I need to understand, you know, and it's a long distance. So maybe mama, by tomorrow, even me, I want to see a reaction with you and my brother, because it keep pushing me to support my family as I can. Najaribu kusukuma familia penye naweza.
Ndio wakiongezea.
This is water here. Although right now it's coming slowly because of we are in winter. No, we are in summer season, and right now the water goes down simply because we're using, maybe my mama used for washing clothes. And mama, one day when this water maybe will be filled that tank, we use for only cooking and drinking. The rest of water, everybody will go to the river because it can keep pushing you. If you want to cook right now, you can cook, doing everything, you know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos for my premiere again. Even I don't know how minutes I made these videos, but it depends. So stay tuned. Make sure that, guys, you catch these videos all the way, and subscribe, like, comment, and share my video, guys. Please, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So this is what I'm calling home. This is my house. Every day I'm shooting video from there. This is my brother's house. That's my mom's house. This is where the cow living. But by the time goes, one day it could be maybe like a rental house. Maybe when visitors arrived at my home, I could maybe have this room, have this room, have this room, like that way. So anyway, guys, let me end my video. Oh, mom, you want to more? End my video outside. Oh, yesterday I bought my brother's shoes on this box, known as Bat, and my sister's for Christmas. You enjoy. That's my sister. Oh, guys, so we shall meet on the next video. Let me end the video. I'm outside of the compound. So, guys, much greeting, much love. I love you, all my good people. And for my new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Enjoy my vlog to the end, guys. For now, I'm speechless, nothing to hide. So let's meet on tomorrow's video, guys. Bye.